Hi, welcome back to Namunadita channel. On the way to Thai friend home at Sing Buri region, Thailand, Maharat Buddhist Park, located in the historical city of Ayutthaya, Thailand. The entrance to the park, there is an array of display Thai food for local community. Ah, yeah, no. I enjoy shrimp tempura. Very statue of monk Luputak. Respect for his wisdom teaching is very famous for local. You can also buy some fish food to enjoy your feeding to the fish. Happy!
The white color more big, coming.
Continue our journey to Singburi.
We have a lot of parking.
Singburi.
It's just village.
Friend from Ode.
Soy milk.
Also carry the baby, small, then go with the motorbike one. Better when you sit down, she like this one. We are stopped again and again. Almost reaching my friend home, we stopped buying the evening local wet market for happy food discovery and buying for cooking. Follow me to watch.
Dạ con lo. Cement mà.
Yes. Same, now go back my don't I.
Oh, my.
Enjoying the beautiful view of evening. The large farmlands.
We don't go tomorrow.
for me already.
Okay, for you already coming to home.
Just
Okay,
waiting in here. Just wait.
Here we are at the house. Welcome by the friendly dog. You can be friend with dog. Hey.
Pinai, call this one dog name. What is it?
Lang.
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 Oh, straight away show the
Lang.
tail. Lang.
The table very small.
No, no.
Egg fry.
It's good or not good, I don't know.
Good.
ข้าวต้ม
Very nice. Smell also nothing to say. Really Thai smell. This one how to call Thai language in
บวบ
what?
I don't know what about your taste. One like to eat your style, you know. I make it really nice.
Just now.
On the way, buy back Thai traditional food. Bamboo inside there put the glutinous rice to do
Brown
barbecue.
sugar. Very good smell.
Every
Take it.
Oh, black Levina. What is it?
ข้าวเหนียว
Oh, black color khao nyo.
come here.
Glutinous rice.
Very clean.
Can sleep or not?
Good night to everyone. Sweet dream. Bye bye. See you next video. Thanks for watching me.